Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best router tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best router tables that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch RA1171 router table. Bosch RA1171 router table is wildly popular in the market for its mid-price range. It is the predecessor of the RA1181 edition. The table body is well built in cabinet style, and is almost a clone of its successor model. The only two differences between the two editions are the weight and the work face. This model weighs about 42 pounds and has more MDF than aluminum, whereas the RA1171 model is constructed with heavy-duty laminated MDF. However, don't get blown up by that. It is not a particle board. MDF usually rivals aluminum in terms of strength and longevity. The high-visibility design of the router base provides improved performance and good router control. Also, the existing router base can be instantly removed to install other bases. The shaft lock system enables easier and quicker bit change. The durable top flat table design adds extra convenience while changing bits. Moving on at number 4. We have the Goplus FM31495 Benchtop. This is another excellent money-saver option, especially if you are looking for something more permanent. It is small and will fit on most benches, however, should also be attached with bolts to allow for a sturdier work surface. Though this means it is not portable, it does mean it is one of the most durable options out there of all the budget tables. It will work on all routers up to 6 inches in diameter, and there is a power strip directly underneath the table for convenience. The main table is made out of aluminum, making it a very durable option. There is also an extension table, giving you a maximum workspace of 8 inches by 18 inches, great for longer pieces of wood. The grooves on the main surface help to chip away dust, making it easier for you to clean up after use. This combines the best of both worlds when it comes to size and sturdiness. It takes up little space when left out of use, but can also be extended to allow you to work on larger projects. At number 3. We have the Kreg PRS1045. The Kreg PRS1045 is a complete router table set that includes the router table, the tabletop and heavy-duty steel legs on lockable casters. It's everything you need to get going with your routing jobs in one easy-to-assemble package. Moreover, you can easily move it around your workshop, which avoids the need to haul heavy wood stock to the table every time. The Kreg PRS1045 features a 1-inch thick, laminated MDF tabletop that's flat and extremely smooth. 2 heavy steel inserts under it give it added support and prevent it from sinking under the weight of your router. If you hate greasing your elbows on tasks like these, you can always buy a compatible, pre-drilled insert plate online. The PRS1045 has 3 plastic throat inserts with different sized openings for the bits. Locking and unlocking these is easy, courtesy a tool that's included in the package. One of the features on the Kreg PRS1045 that we loved is the T-track made of aluminum, that allows you to use additional miter bar accessories, feather boards, and the likes. When you install the router table fence on the track, it looks somewhat similar to a T-square fence, parallel to the slot for the miter bar. That's cope cuts made easy for you. At number 2, we have the Skil RAS900 router table. This is a fantastic budget option if you still require a full-sized router table that fulfills all of your routing needs. It saves space with storage containers for accessories that you use alongside the router. The clamp system is designed to be fast and easy, helping you to make quick work of your routing tasks. There are 2 featherboards included helping you guide your wood around the router. The router mount fits a number of different machines and has adjustable bits to make it as easy as possible, especially if you opt to change router at some point in the future. The base is made out of hard-wearing plastic, and the tabletop is MDF with a smooth laminate coating, perfect for gliding your wood along. The fences are adjustable, giving you the perfect fit for the material you are working with. This is a great beginner's table, especially if you are looking for the full thing rather than a mountable table. For a low price, you can use this on larger projects. It can also be easily adapted to fit most routers, either using the holes provided or by drilling new ones. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch RA1171 table. Awarded Amazon's choice for router tables, this is a great all-rounder with excellent customer reviews and fantastic durability. It is designed to fit on top of any bench you have, so is very portable and easy to work with. This is definitely the best option if you already have a Bosch router and other tools from their range, as it has special mounting equipment for their machinery. There is a great dust collection area to make it easy for you to clean up after you are finished with your project. The table is very sturdy, as confirmed by customer reviews that are pleased with how long the table lasts. It comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that Bosch also believes in this product. The attached featherboards are adjustable, again allowing you to customize the board to your own preferences. This is a great table overall for day-to-day use and is also a fantastic option for professionals looking for a starter table. It is best used if you have Bosch equipment. In such a case, it is the only table we would suggest, but it is also compatible with tools from other ranges. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.